Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a loose head screw on your Dyson V11, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to wear and tear over time, particularly if the vacuum has been subjected to heavy use. If left unchecked, a loose screw could lead to further damage, affecting the performance of your device and potentially resulting in costly repairs down the line. To fix this issue, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure that your Dyson V11 is turned off and unplugged for safety. Begin by locating the head of the vacuum, which is where the loose screw is situated. Carefully use your flathead screwdriver to pry open the cover of the head assembly. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Once opened, you should see the loose screw. If it's not immediately visible, it may be tucked away in a corner, so take your time to locate it. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, gently tighten the loose screw. Be careful not to over-tighten it, as this could strip the threads and cause more problems. If it feels too tricky at any point, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After tightening the screw, check for any cables that may have become disconnected during the process. If you find any, carefully reconnect them. Once everything is back in place, reattach the cover of the head assembly, ensuring it clicks securely into position. To verify that the head is functioning properly, turn the vacuum on and test it out. If it feels stable and there are no unusual noises, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly check the screws on your Dyson V11 and ensure they're tightened. Additionally, avoid dropping or knocking the vacuum, as this can loosen screws over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.